Hi there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double crochet 3 together. And this technique can be applied to any basic stitch you like. You can have a single crochet 3 together, half double crochet 3 together, and so on. To make a double crochet 3 together means that you're turning 3 stitches into one. You crochet them together. And you start by yarning over and inserting your hook into the next available stitch, yarning over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And this is an incomplete double crochet. We're going to leave it on our hook and continue with the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is another incomplete double crochet. Again into the next available stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now you have these 3 incomplete double crochet. We're gonna join together by yarning over and pulling through all the loops on your hook. And this is how you make a double crochet 3 together.